to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export, yes, how to save your video. I believe you have been learning and most of you will be asking, how can I save this video, how can I save it? I'm able to edit this and I'm able to play along with the icons that are on InShot. Please, how can I export it? How can I make it to be on my phone gallery and all that? So just calm down, I say calm down. So to save it, being that you have finished editing and all that, you want to save your video, to save it so that it will be on your phone gallery. What you're going to do is come up here, you click on it, then select the resolution that you want and then click on save. Okay, you wait for it to convert. It's converting. Can you see it's counting this percentage? Once it gets to 100, it will automatically save to your phone gallery, which you're going to get a notification that the converting is successful. So as you're waiting for this, kindly smash the subscription button below this video and turn on the notification bell. Once you click on that bell, click on all so that all the videos that will drop on this channel you will get notification. And also feel free to tell me how you feel about this training. Are you really getting much value? If you're getting much value, type value on the comment section. Type value, just type value so that I will know that you are getting more value and I will also be encouraged to do more. All right, so it has finished exporting, guys. So if can you see here is said save. This is order. If I want to share it to my friends, I can click here and share it. Okay, share it. If I want to share it to stories, Instagram, email, YouTube and all that, I'm going to share it. So let's now open our video gallery. I'm using this inshot player. I click on it. Okay, you need to know this because you need to know it so that you're going to know how it's being saved. Okay, so this is it. This is the video we just exported. Can you see the name that was given to us? InShot. So this for you to know that this video is coming from InShot. Can you see this is InShot? Okay, so but I will advise you, once it comes in here, try to rename it immediately. So can you see it shows new because I'm not able to play it. That is how to export your video on InShot. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial where we are going to do more practicals on the icons on InShot. All right, subscribe now.